Welcome to Section 1, Introduction, Unveiling VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is a powerful tool in Excel. It helps you find specific information in large data sets. Think of it as a smart lookup tool. VLOOKUP lets you search for a specific value in a table. Then it returns a corresponding value from another column in the same row. This function is incredibly useful for various tasks, from simple data retrieval to complex calculations. Imagine you have a spreadsheet with hundreds of employee names and their corresponding IDs. You need to quickly find the ID of a particular employee. Manually searching through the list would be time-consuming and prone to errors. VLOOKUP simplifies this process, allowing you to find the ID quickly and accurately. VLOOKUP is like having a personal assistant for your data. You provide the assistant with a specific value to look for, and they efficiently retrieve the corresponding information from a designated table. This function saves valuable time and minimizes the risk of errors, making it an indispensable asset for anyone working with spreadsheets. By mastering VLOOKUP, you gain the ability to effortlessly extract specific data points from large datasets. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions, analyze information efficiently, and streamline your workflow. Whether you're a seasoned Excel user or just starting your journey, understanding VLOOKUP is crucial for unlocking the full potential of this versatile spreadsheet program. Now moving on to Section 2, Understanding the VLOOKUP formula. The VLOOKUP formula consists of 4 key components, each playing a specific role in the lookup process. These components work together to pinpoint the desired information within a table. Understanding each part is essential for constructing accurate and efficient VLOOKUP formulas. Firstly, the lookup value is the value you want to find in the first column of the table. It's like the target you're aiming for in your search. Secondly, the table array is the range of cells that contains the data you want to search through. It's like the map where you'll be looking for your target. Thirdly, the column index number specifies the column from which you want to retrieve the corresponding value. It's like choosing the specific piece of information you need from the location you found on the map. Lastly, the range lookup is a logical value that determines whether you want an exact match or an approximate match. It's like deciding if you need to land precisely on the target or if you can be close enough. Each component of the VLOOKUP formula is crucial for guiding the function to the desired information. Understanding their roles and interactions allows you to construct precise and effective formulas, ensuring accurate data retrieval from your spreadsheets. Let's explore Section 3, Finding Employee IDs, a practical example. Let's say you have a spreadsheet with employee names in column A and their corresponding IDs in column B. You need to find the ID of a specific employee named John Smith. This is where VLOOKUP comes in handy. To find John Smith's ID, you would use the following VLOOKUP formula: #VLOOKUP John Smith AB2 false. In this formula, John Smith is the lookup value, AB is the table array, 2 is the column index number, referring to the second column where IDs are located, and false indicates an exact match. When you enter this formula, Excel will search for John Smith in column A. Once it finds the name, it will move to the second column, column index number 2, in the same row, and return the corresponding ID. This way, you can quickly and easily retrieve John Smith's ID without manually searching through the entire spreadsheet. This practical example demonstrates how VLOOKUP can be used to efficiently extract specific information from a dataset. By specifying the lookup value, table array, column index number, and range lookup, you can precisely pinpoint the desired information and retrieve it effortlessly. Section 4. Avoiding common VLOOKUP errors. While VLOOKUP is a powerful function, it can sometimes lead to errors if not used correctly. Understanding these common errors and how to avoid them will ensure accurate and reliable results. One common error is forgetting to use the false argument for an exact match. By default, VLOOKUP uses an approximate match, which can lead to inaccurate results if the data is not sorted. Always specify false for an exact match unless you specifically require an approximate match. Another common mistake is using the wrong column index number. Make sure you are referring to the correct column number from which you want to retrieve the corresponding value. Double-check the column number to avoid retrieving irrelevant data. Finally, ensure that the lookup value is correctly spelled and formatted. Any discrepancies in spelling or formatting can prevent VLOOKUP from finding the desired value. Pay close attention to the lookup value to avoid potential errors. By being mindful of these common errors and taking preventive measures, you can ensure that your VLOOKUP formulas are accurate and reliable, producing the desired results without any hiccups. Section 5. Exploring different lookup options. VLOOKUP offers flexibility with its range lookup option, allowing you to choose between exact and approximate matches. Understanding the difference between these options is crucial for selecting the appropriate approach for your specific needs. When you set the range lookup to false, VLOOKUP performs an exact match. This means that the function will only return a value if it finds an exact match for the lookup value in the first column of the table array. If an exact match is not found, VLOOKUP will return an error. On the other hand, when the range lookup is set to true or omitted, VLOOKUP performs an approximate match. In this case, the function will return the closest match to the lookup value in the first column of the table array. This option is useful when dealing with data that is not sorted in ascending order. Choosing the right lookup option depends on the nature of your data and the desired outcome. For precise data retrieval, an exact match is recommended. However, for data that is not sorted, or when you need to find the closest match, an approximate match may be more suitable. Section 6. Conclusion: Mastering VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is an indispensable tool for anyone working with Excel. Its ability to efficiently extract specific information from large data sets makes it invaluable for various tasks, from simple data retrieval to complex calculations. By mastering VLOOKUP, you gain a significant advantage in navigating and analyzing data within spreadsheets. Remember to pay attention to the 4 key components of the VLOOKUP formula: lookup value, table array, column index number, and range lookup. Understanding their roles and interactions is crucial for constructing accurate and efficient formulas. Additionally, be mindful of common errors, such as forgetting the false argument for an exact match or using the wrong column index number. As you become more comfortable with VLOOKUP, explore its different lookup options, choosing between exact and approximate matches based on your specific needs. By practicing and experimenting with various scenarios, you can truly master this powerful function and unlock its full potential. Embrace the power of VLOOKUP and witness its transformative impact on your data analysis and spreadsheet management capabilities.